Hello everyone, I'm Ke. I have provided many SDN videos, but almost all videos are explained in Chinese. For example, this one are all explained in Chinese. If you want to know what I'm talking about, in this video, I will show how to generate the English subtitle. Then you will know what I'm talking about. Before that, you need to prepare a virtual. In this video, I will use this virtual machine. In this virtual machine, install the Python. The version should be 3.9 or 3.10. And then you need to go to Whisper provided by OpenAI. Just follow the step here to install the Whisper software package. And then go to my GitHub. In this GitHub, you can see there is a file. It's called Chih-Heng sub to English.py. Simply click this file, the virtual machine, run it, then you can generate the English subtitle. I will show you how. Now, I open my virtual machine. I change to super user first. Now I need to change to Python 3.9 environment. So I use conda activate Python 3.9. I have already installed Whisper. Make sure if you want to run the script correctly, install Python 3.9 or 3.10 and install Whisper. I have already this file. The only thing you need to change is the video URL and the final file name. The video URL, you can go to the YouTube. For example, I will choose one. For example, this is a mininet one. I click it. That's a advertisement. Just wait.
各位同学，大家好，我是
Then click the URL. Then you can change the final file name. The caption is mininet1, so I keep it the same here. Then save the file. Then run Python sub to English.py. Here, you just need to wait. It depends on your computer's performance. It takes time. So I just suspend this video. When it's finished, I will read it. Okay, now the processing is finished. You can see we have downloaded the video mininet1.mp4 and it will generate mininet1.srt. Now I copy these two files on user videos directory. Now I change. Now you can open the VLC media player. Open the file. Use mininet1.mp4.
各位同学，大家好，我是国立金门大学资工系柯志亨。从今天开始起，我会开始陆续介绍一些 mininet 的一些介绍。
So you can see the English subtitle, although some are not correct, but I think you can guess it. Okay, that's for today's video. Hope you will enjoy it. Thanks.